Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you what to do in if the market turns bearish. So let's get started. First of all, know why the market has turned bearish. By this I'm concerned that if if it's the overall market that became bearish, or it's the only that particular stock that you purchased turns bearish. So in that case, if the market turns bearish, search for opportunities of profits. Whether there are certain opportunities available that you can profit when the market turns bearish. I also mentioned it to you in the previous videos that you should have uh, some of the some of amount saved in your account to deposit more stocks in case if the market turns bearish. So in this case, as you can see that the market starts to decline, and let's say you have purchased at this level, over here, here or here, somewhere here. Now if the market turns bearish, I've also showed to you that you should place your stop loss in place, so that in case if the market turns bearish, you should probably sell at the sell in time to not like wipe out your account. So in this case, as you can see, I've showed you that I've also told you in the previous videos of mine that for a correction it's 2% is enough, and for a bearish market it's 5 to 10%. Like if the market, depending on the move, whether it's 5 to 10%, like the market drops by 5 to 10% or it drops by 1 to 2%, that depends on the condition the market is. Whenever the market turns bearish, you will have to, like, nowadays the market is in in volatility. Like it's not moving upward, neither downward. It's moving 1%, 1 to 2% or 3% above, and 1 to 3% below. In these range, it moves above and below, like a side trend. So you will also have to consider that as well. First of all, if the external conditions turn worse, then the market will definitely become bearish. So in that case, you will have to search for opportunities of profit. Like you can see here, as it turned bearish, short your positions here. I've showed you in how to trade with the help of candlesticks in previous videos of mine, so check those as well. As you can see here, it came down up till this point here, and now this is a great pullback for profits. You can profit from this and this as well, from these two as well. Buy here or here and sell at this level here, and also buy at this level here and sell somewhere here. This buying over here and selling here is called timing the market. So you can time the market as well, and you can see that the market still became bearish. Now it's now you can place a long position here, because now it's at its lowest. So you can place your long position here, and you can gain huge amount of profit from this, from by placing this long position. You can see this is a very big move in upward direction, you can see. And whenever the market turns bearish, like it turns bearish in 5 to once in 5 to 3 years. Other than that, whenever the market turns slightly down and above, like 5 to 10%, that's correction. That's no big deal. Whenever the market turns, like if it's a move in 30 to 40% move in the downward direction, that's called a bearish market. In this stocks, I would say that not much can be done in this stock, because it's trading in a side trend, and you could not recognize whether if it's a bullish market or a bearish market. So this type of markets, you will have to avoid them, because you cannot profit from them much. And as you can see from the pattern, it moved up, came down, moved up and came down, like in a side trend. Now it came down from the previous highs of here to these levels here. So not much can be done in this market. I've also showed uploaded a video regarding how to trade a side trend with the help of RSI. Do check that as well if you want to become if you want to sorry if you want to trade a side trend. That's a great video as well. As far as I'm concerned about this one, I would not trade in this type of market because both buyers and buyers push the market up, but sellers eventually pull that back down. So I would not trade this type of market. I would trade the hot cakes like this one. As you can see that either the bears pulled it down or the bulls pushed it back up. So I would trade these type of markets for better profits. Well, that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.